Hi, I'm Steve Barber with Coulter Urban, and welcome back to One Tampa, where luxury living meets the vibrant heart of downtown Tampa. Rising 42 stories above the city and now reaching the 22nd floor, One Tampa is truly taking shape. Construction is moving quickly with framing, masonry, and windows well underway, and we're on schedule for our topping out later this summer. We've made a lot of great progress, and I'm excited to share a closer look, including another one of our beautiful residences. Let's dive in. Here we are on the 19th floor, standing in what will be the C residence floor plan, located on the northeast corner of One Tampa. This expansive residence with 2 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and a large den spans more than 2,200 square feet and offers spacious terraces designed for year-round outdoor living and offering stunning panoramic views of the city skyline and the river. Inside, residents will enjoy soaring ceilings up to 10 feet and thoughtfully curated interiors. Buyers will soon start selecting from designer-coordinated kitchens and baths featuring European-style cabinetry, quartz countertops, large waterfall edge islands, premium appliances, and porcelain tile flooring throughout the main living areas. The owner's suite is a true retreat, complete with an oversized walk-in closet and a luxurious spa-inspired bathroom. Now climbing beyond the 22nd floor, One Tampa continues to redefine downtown living, bringing elevated design, breathtaking views, and an unmatched lifestyle to the heart of the city. Thanks for following along, and I'll see you next time.